No, 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 I don't want it. What's up, everybody? If you live in Europe, let's talk about a feature you can expect to find on a Porsche Cayman in 2022. If you live in America, or heck, you can just laugh at us. They're going to fit devices to all new cars sold in Europe which will limit your car from exceeding the speed limit in that area. So this is how it's going to work. I'll put a graphic up in a minute. It's going to be a GPS sensor. It knows your location. It knows the roads that you're on. It knows the speed limit for those roads. There'll be cameras on the car looking for speeding signs as well. It'll try to sort of decode what the signs are and back that up with the GPS data. It will stop you from exceeding the speed limit, and it's all in the name of safety. I'll tell you what makes an accident. It's a dangerous driver. It's not just a simple matter of speed alone. If you haven't heard of this website, you can Google spurious correlations. It's a website by Tyler Vegan. He can pretty much correlate anything with anything. The minute you're going to put software inside my car, it's just got the hallmarks of that Boeing 737 MAX 8 incident all over it. That was a tragedy, that was. I mean, my hearts go out to all of those people that were affected. For those of you that don't know, quickly to recap, the Boeing 737 MAX 8 has got software on board, and it's there to override the pilot if it thinks the pilot's doing something that it shouldn't. So when a plane's taking off, the angle of attack on the nose can be quite high, and the software deemed the pilot to have raised the nose too high, the plane therefore being at risk of stalling. So what does the software do? Pitches the nose down, and unfortunately that plane crashed. This is why the 737 MAX 8 Boeing has been grounded in Europe, and a software update is pending. I don't want my car to go the same way. If anything, I'm going to hold on to my 2009 Cayman. I'm going to hold on to it until the day that I'm no longer on this planet. Dangerous driving takes all forms, and it's far too easy to say a dangerous driver is a driver breaking the speed limit. That's just my opinion. This is a car channel. We're all supposed to have fun. Generally, I stay away from politics, but as I daily drive to work, this is something that would affect me every day. Let me know what you think. Hit the comments up below. And for those of you who think that the United Kingdom is leaving Europe, the UK government has already stated they'll be following all the traffic regulations with regards to cars and safety that Europe issues. So Brexit or not, this is going to happen in the United Kingdom. Keep your existing cars because they can only become more and more sought after.